Hi everyone, my name is Sandeep Kumar and I'm back again with another video. In this video, I'll be talking about the difference between IELTS paper-based exam and IELTS computer-delivered exam. Since many students get confused about which exam to choose for because everyone has a different comfort level with the paper and with the computer. So usually when you're not comfortable with taking the exam either on the computer or on a paper, it can make it difficult for you to get a good score because you will not be very much focused in doing your exam. So in this video, I'll be explaining what are the differences between these two exams and which one is more suggested for you. First of all, I'll talk about IELTS on a paper. So when you're appearing on IELTS paper-based exam, you will be doing three parts on a paper, which is listening, reading, and writing on a paper. So each and everything will be done on a paper. So for the listening part, audio will be played and then you'll be answering each and every question on the question sheet. And at the end of the exam, once your 30 minutes have finished, they will give you 10 minutes to transfer your answers to the answer sheet. And for the reading part, again, you have to answer the questions and then you have to transfer your answers in the answer sheet. And for the writing part, what you will be doing is you have to write your essays on a paper. So the negative point about the paper-based exam is that if your handwriting is not good, if your examiner is not able to understand your handwriting, that might be the negative point, because if they're not able to understand some kind of spelling, then you can lose score in that part. Another thing is that in the paper-based exam, it's kind of difficult and time-consuming to count your word count. But on the IELTS computer-delivered exam, you can easily see the word count on the question, on the computer, sorry, right? So now I'll be talking about IELTS on a computer. So IELTS on a computer is suggested for those people who are comfortable reading and writing on a computer, because you'll be attempting three parts on a computer, right? You'll be writing your essay on a computer, and the good thing about this is that you can easily see the word count, and the screen will be split into, on the left side of the screen you will see the topic, on the right side of the screen you will be typing your answers. Same for the reading part. Again, you can see the passage on the left side of the screen and you will see the questions on the right side. You just need to click on the questions to answer them. And listening part is kind of slightly difficult because in IELTS computer delivered exam, you will not be getting those extra 10 minutes for transferring your answer sheet, transferring your answers to the answer sheet, because you are marking your answers at the same time on your screen. So I would say when you are comfortable using a computer and when your typing speed is good, you should always opt for the computer delivered exam, because I find it quite easier than the other one. And another good point is that you will be getting your score within 7 working days. And on the other hand, when you're appearing for IELTS paper-based exam, you'll be getting your score after 14 days of the exam. And it can get noisy in the IELTS paper-based exam because it is usually conducted in huge examination halls and you can expect so many candidates attempting the exam at the same time. However, when you are attempting the IELTS computer-delivered exam, you can only find maybe 5 to 7 candidates who are appearing in the exam at the same time with you. Thank you.